beaming. Beaming. And I don't really want to hide like my pink lips. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So Maybelline Ultra Slim in dark brown for like a flawless application. You may need to cleanse your skin like right through right through, and also exfoliate. That's a tip. Okay, exfoliate. And I'm going on my brows, so don't come for me if they don't look like so yeah, I'm going on my brows. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take my Colourpop concealer in deep golden 60. Just gonna have my brush and brows are done, and they kind of look, they actually came out nice. Maybe because I was rushing this time, but yeah. So next I am going to color correct, like right here, just because I get like dark marks from wearing my glasses, and I'm getting new glasses soon. I'm getting 2 pairs, and I'm actually very excited to get some new glasses. The next thing I'm gonna get is contacts, because it's not nice to be wearing glasses sometimes. All day luminous weightless foundations. I'm not really adding a lot either, because I want a natural, flawless, effortless, airbrushed look, which then if you brush and just blend that in. This foundation is like the perfect match. The perfect match. Then next we're gonna go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna use the Colourpop concealer, like to brighten. The nice concealer is in hazelnut, the shade hazelnut. It's like a nice golden highlight for my complexion. And then I'm gonna use the Colourpop concealer that I use on my brows, just to like brighten. The powder that I'm using to set, I don't remember the shade because it's in a totally different like container, but I think it's the Benai powder. So just to be safe, I'm gonna blend it out again so we're not setting creases. Like, if you have any good setting powder suggestions down below, let me know. Drugstore or high-end, either one is fine with me, doesn't really matter. Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark. I'm gonna use the middle shade right here, the Sculpt shade. Take the contour shade. Mine is done. I'm hitting pan. And I'm not gonna take a lot because, like I said, a cream contour slash a reverse contour, should say. So I'm not gonna take a lot. Just setting like right there. It'd be even nicer if I had blush, but I don't. I get my flat powder brush and my foundation is broken. My face powder is broken, and it's the Milani pressed powder in Ginger 04. Gonna put that in there like that. Then next I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold 100 and my Real Techniques highlighter brush, well, setting brush. I'm using a light hand. Like I'm holding the brush like right here. I'm not holding down here where the pink part is. I'm holding the black part. Very light. This color from the festival palette, just to like give it some depth and warmth. I'm Morphe 149 brush and get this middle color right here. Hint of rose water. I'm running out of it and I don't know how to get more because I don't see it on Amazon and I can't find it on Google, so I got it in Marshalls. That is why I can't find it. I am going to get the flat powder brush that I was using before. You can use your brush or a sponge and just dab that in, or if you want you can air dry it, but I noticed that when I do it like this, like my face looks very melted and airbrushed. So I do that, then I go back in with the highlighter. Yes, I go back in with the highlighter and just like top it up on the cheeks right there. Lightly top it up on the cheek right there, just on the high points, like that. See it beaming from all angles. See? Beaming. Yeah. Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I'm just gonna give it two looks. So I'm taking my Colourpop lippy pencil in peach. I don't really want to hide like my pink lips. I don't know, like, oh god, I don't know. I'm gonna go with matte. So I have like my mason jar full of lippies. Embellish, like Embellish is really dark. Probably Limbo. This is anyways the Ellery and Colourpop collab. Anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna go with anyways. Going with Limbo. makeup look, brown skin. So this is the finished look.